Hello everyone, I'm Lukmal, this is Jim. Today we are very excited to show you the new version of SophieBot, our AI-powered chatbot for Microsoft Teams. This new version is powered by modern LLMs, giving you smarter and more accurate answers. We renamed it to SophieGPT. Let me show you how it works. So this is our product website. You can install SophieGPT using this Teams link. So once you click it, you can click Add. Once it's added, you can click Open. So here you will see this nice greeting card, and it has some information about our SophieGPT. So it can answer anything related to SSW rules, people, website, GitHub, email templates, and it also supports specialized queries. And we also have this view prompts. It has some shortcuts to the queries. And next, I'm going to show you the generative capabilities for the new SophieBot. So first, I'm going to ask the first query about SSW rules. Give me some rules for prompt engineering. So you will see this awesome generative answers, and it also has a reference link in the bottom. And next question, I'm going to ask about SSW website. So what products does SSW have? And you will see it lists all our products, also has the reference link to our product page. And next question, I'm going to ask about GitHub. So what's the GitHub URL for SSW rules? And you will see it actually listed two repos. One is for our content repo and one is for the actual rule website, which is awesome. Next one, I'm going to ask about email templates. So email template for working from home. As you can see, it directly gives me the template, and it also have a reference to our SharePoint, which is awesome. And next, I'm going to show you to ask about like a CRM information. So for example, like what is Yuli's mobile? So for this query, previously it is getting data from database, and now it is directly using generative answers, and it is getting data from the CRM. And you will see it has a reference to the system user table. Yeah. So those are the generative capabilities. Now Jim will show you other data queries.
Thanks, Luke. I'm gonna take over the screen share. Okay, so apart from those awesome AI-powered features, SophieGPT also supports all the existing queries from SophieBot. So, for example, if you want to know about a person, one of your colleagues, you can ask about the name, and SophieGPT will give you a very nice-looking profile card, like this one. Also, you can ask about people in the office now. So, for example, who is in Sydney office now? It will query by connecting to the unified Wi-Fi data and search for all the people that's still in the office. So here you are getting the list of all the Sydney people. And also, you can ask about a project. You can know who worked on a specific project by asking like who works on sugar learning. And SophieGPT will also give you a very nice looking list of cards like this. And last but not least, you can ask about colleagues' bookings. So for example, if you want to know about my bookings or my calendar, you can ask, show me Jim's bookings. And it will give you a list of the calendar events of in my Outlook. There are still a lot of other queries that SophieGPT supports. You can find out by looking at our website. And it's also worth to mention that we are developing a very awesome feature called Workflow, which gives you the ability to send out leave emails and work from home emails all inside SophieGPT. And now I will pass it back to Luke.
Thanks, Jim. That will be all for this video. You can try out the SophieGPT at sswsophie.com. We'd like to hear your feedback. Thank you for watching. See you. Bye.